Health message: super instinct, super insane. Diabetes, insulin resistance, either by too much intakes of sugar. Get back the cell in order by killing all bad cells through fasting and let the remaining revitalize the body. High blood pressure: the more meat you eat, milk, cheese and butter from animal source, you know you small the veins and arches, the lumens, the part through which the blood pass through the hose. The smaller it be, the more pressure. The smaller the hose, the more pressure the water through it. The smaller your lumen vein is, the harder the blood pump through it, putting pressure on the heart. Hence, the other part of the body starts swelling like foot, etc. Pneumonia, mucus in the lungs, milk, cheese, butter, alcohol, sugar, and meat. Leave them alone. Mucus in the head, sinus, a lot of meat, a lot of cheese, milk, and butter, meat, alcohol. Leave them alone. People with hardening of the muscle from diabetes, heavy starch. The heavy starch on the planet is the rice. They have bleach and the flour, white rice, white sugar, white salt, all things that is white, white primacy. They are not here for you. They are here to destroy you. So therefore, the polysaccharide, which is a large starch, come from what? The starch is like sugar. The starch is like rice because it's bleach. They take out the vitamin A out of it and send it to the pharmaceutical place where they fabricate it and synthesize it and put it in vitamin tablets. And what else? Canker. We can't call that name. They said they owned it. Everything can be vitalize and re-energize and go back to its normal stage. You naturally have canker cells inside your body. Therefore, to normalize them, you have to leave them alone. Don't pick a fight with them. The more you give them acids, bad acids, by parasites pissing in your gut, is the more you energize them so they rise and take over the body. Therefore, ta-da! Don't do chemotherapy. Never you ever. Killing good bacteria in your body literally kill your body because your body work from good bacteria and good fungus. A balance in the woman vaginal wall. The vaginal community made up of what? Yeast, bad bacteria and good bacteria. If the good bacteria goes down, which chemotherapy would kill, what would happen? The bad bacteria will what? Will also don't have the power to conquer to the yeast, so the yeast will rise. That is why when you get an antibiotic from the hospital, what happened? Same time a woman have yeast infection. There is many more. But I leave this with you today. Pass this on to other people. Remember, I do herbal consultation. I help women with reoccurring yeast infection. Yes, I'm out here helping the people. So to whom it may concern, send this to someone, a friend and a friend and a friend and a friend. Spin, spin, spin.